Hello and welcome to Kami Academy. In this video we will discuss the 7 best things to have for breakfast. Many people say that breakfast is your most important meal. And it's probably true because you need to have a good start after sleeping all night. Breakfast helps get you going for the day. But it's essential not only to make sure you eat breakfast but also to eat the best breakfast possible. So here is a list of, in my opinion, the 7 best things to have for breakfast. If you want to know more informative videos, then click subscribe and the bell icon. Let's do this together. 1. Fruit. For example, bananas, grapefruit, oranges, apples, and even watermelons. Fruits contain lots of fiber and help with weight loss. 2. Vegetables. Though most people don't think of veggies as a true breakfast food, they are really very nutritious and contain lots of fiber. Veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and beets can be made into smoothies to have for breakfast. 3. Eggs. Over the years, eggs have gotten a bad rap about cholesterol issues. But really, eggs are very healthy for you. They contain the good kind of cholesterol that doesn't raise people's cholesterol as feared by many. They have protein and are pretty filling. Plus, there are many ways to prepare eggs, as you probably know. 4. Yogurt. Yogurt is easy to eat because it comes in those little cups you can purchase at the store. Greek yogurt is quite nourishing, as it contains protein and helps with weight loss. Many Greek yogurts contain fruit mixed in, but make sure the yogurt contains live cultures, which it should say on the label. 5. Oatmeal. Another breakfast is relatively straightforward to make, and there are many different kinds to choose from. Oatmeal contains fiber, which can help give you that full feeling for much of the day. It is also helpful in lowering your cholesterol. 6. Whole grain pancakes. Waffles are also good, even French toast. Another very easy to make breakfast, as many brands come frozen and can be cooked in a microwave or toaster oven. But try to avoid sugary syrup. You can top waffles or pancakes with fruit, yogurt, or preserves. 7. Sandwiches. Yes, sandwiches can be part of a nutritious breakfast. But the bread should not be that cheap white bread, it should be a brand that says 100% whole grain. The sandwich can be peanut butter and jelly, but in both cases, please read the labels. Peanut butter should have only nuts and either salt or oil as their ingredient, nothing else. They are more expensive, but they are worth it. Jellies or preserves should also only contain fruit. I hope you liked this video, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time.